Hello everyone, the topic for today is price elasticity of supply, and price elasticity of supply is defined as the responsiveness of quantity supply to a change in price, and we have formula to find out price elasticity of supply, that is equal to percentage change in quantity supply divided by percentage change in price. Delta sign basically shows change, and we have another formula for this is that is PES is equal to change in quantity supply over change in price into P1 over Q1. And now we can find out answer for question number 1. The diagram shows the supply curve for a good, and what is the price elasticity of supply when price rises from 2 to 4. So we can make a table. We can write price and quantity supply. Price increases from 2 to 4, and when price increases from 2 to 4, quantity supply increases from 20 to 30. Okay, so now we have different values. This is P1 and this is P2, this is Q1, this is Q2. So what we can do is we can find out change, and I'm using this formula, change in quantity supply. So change in quantity supply from 20 to 30 is equal to 10, and change in price from 2 to 4 is equal to 2, and initial price, that is P1 is 2, so I will put 2 here, and then quantity Q1 is 20, so 20 here. So we can cancel 0 with 0, 2 ones are 2, and the answer will be 1 over 2, that is equal to 0.5. So option B is correct. The second question is, which change would make supply of a product more elastic? Elastic supply is when a small change in price leads to greater change in quantity supply. So the answer for this question is C, a reduction in time taken to make the product. It means if we can produce the product quickly, then it means supply would be elastic. A little change in price will lead to greater change in quantity supply. So whenever a product can be produced in lesser time period, then it will become more elastic. And other factors that affect price elasticity of supply include time period. Time period mean if we need less time, it will be elastic. If we need more time to produce a product, then supply will be inelastic. Nature of product is another factor that affects price elasticity of supply. Perishable products have inelastic supply. Primary products have inelastic supply, like agricultural goods, and the goods which are durable and can be stored and stocked for longer period of time, they have elastic supply. And the other factor that is basically availability of stocks. If stocks of a product are available in large quantity, it means supply would be elastic. However, if lesser stocks are available, then supply would be inelastic. And the last factor is available reserve capacity or extra capacity available for production. For example, if we have machinery, technology and tools that is not being utilized to the optimum extent, then we can further use it and increase our supply, so supply will be elastic. However, if our production plant, machinery, technology is already working at full capacity, it means we don't have any further reserve capacity, then supply will be inelastic. And so this is it. Next topic I would be explaining is relevant to taxes and subsidies.